Today we're going to talk about my foot care spa box and what goes in it. I'm going to have my foot care balm, and this is great for the heels, dry cracked skin on the feet. It's Diane here from Vermont Lavender, providing body care for dry skin plus self-care gifts. It has beeswax, shea butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and lavender essential oils, and I use about 3 different types of lavender essential oils in here too, especially the Bulgarian one and French and a little bit of English in this to give it a nice floral scent. It's a really nice moisturizer for your feet and your heels. And then I have a lavender lotion stick, and this is really nice. You can use it for your cuticles or your elbows or your knees, or like a hand moisturizer, something nice you can just throw in your purse or whatever, or just have it by your bedside. So then I have my lavender hemp lip balm made with hemp seed oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, castor oil. I put carrot seed oil in there too, and you can look up the properties and the benefits of using carrot seed. And also chamomile and my calendula flowers. I grow them and I infuse them into the oils, and I use that as part of my lip balms and other skincare products. And then I also have avocado oil in here, so it's a really nice moisturizing lip balm. Then I have my little bath salts. Also have a mango lotion bar, which is really nice. This is another one and this is a rosemary mint, so you could use this on your hands, or you could even use this on your feet, your elbows. And then this is a little keepsake box, and you can just put like dried flowers in here or whatever you would like to put in there. So it's a nice little pretty box. So this is a box that I use. It's a scallop box, the scallop edges right here, and I'm going to be changing this. I do like it, but it's really hard to ship, so I'm looking at getting boxes. Like I have another one that's a 3 by 6. I think it's a 3 by 6 by 3, something like that, or 3 by 6 by 9, 3 inches high. And that one works really well for shipping out my boxes, especially for my subscription boxes and my other gift boxes. This one's really pretty, it's just not good for shipping. So I'm going to fill this up. I have my purple and my white filler. Foot balm, the lip balm, the lotion stick, the rosemary mint lotion bar, and bath salts. I have 4 of those, and the keepsake daisy box. So now I'm all set to fill it up a little bit more. So it may seem like I have a lot of fill in there, but the reason I do is I want to make sure that nothing moves around. So, and I have this on the sides, and you will see later why I have it like this. Okay. So now this is all set. And I can use a red or I can use a purple ribbon. I'm going with red today because this is for Mother's Day and it's a Mother's Day gift. You can leave a comment to let me know if you have any tips on tying the bow a different way. And the reason I do this is because when you flip it around, there you go. And then I have a little sticker I put on right on the front to let the customer know what is inside. And it also has my branding on it. That's it. So that is the Foot Care Spa Box, and I really do like this box. It's very pretty and it's very elegant and romantic. See the value in this video? Give it a thumbs up, and if you are a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel to see what I do with my body care business and tips and advice and other products that will be coming down the road. And also I have gardening tips on there too because I'm a master gardener. Have a great day. Thank you for joining me.